Okay, so here comes our low tech demo, and our mentor is Shita. We have 6 team members. My name is Catherine, a fourth year CS student. I'm Econ first year stats major.
I'm Amanda. I'm a fourth year stats major.
I'm Zanshi. I'm fourth year CS major.
I'm Wei Jing. I'm a first year master student.
I'm Yujin, CS major.
Currently, the residential and commercial buildings consume a big amount of the total energy generated in the US, and a lot of people have been working on this issue, but there are still a lot of problems to be solved. For example, the inefficient consumption habits of people and the lack of control systems to manage consumption. And besides, the benchmarking tools are still very basic and there's a lot of room for improvement. And what we basically do is to use the data to do a detailed microgrid optimization analysis and study its economic feasibility. And also, we design the optimization algorithms and various ways to improve the microgrid's efficiency.
So I'll be talking about user requirements. We got our data from 5 houses for electricity consumption by various appliances and occupation for every second for 8 months all in CSV files. And then we have 20 million rows of data in multiple such CSV files that we have to merge before we do any model analysis. And then our top 3 user requirements are we have to do a detailed analysis of consumption data, and then we have to study the economic feasibility of the microgrids, and then we have to design optimization algorithms to improve the microgrid's efficiency.
For technical components, we first need to learn about details on microgrid optimization. We will try to use agile development to improve our team efficiency. We can practice data cleaning skills. In the meantime, we are going to research related papers on microgrid and machine learning algorithms to improve our result. We did not know microgrid optimization before, so it is a challenge for us to figure out the best way to apply machine learning and make full use of the dataset.
The sample architecture is pretty straightforward. We use pandas to clean and pre-process the original dataset. Then we perform EDA to help us determine what to predict. We choose from different machine learning algorithms to train and validate the time series data. At the same time, we decide what can be improved about microgrid based on the benchmarking result. Lastly, we solve the linear optimization problem by taking into account the potential parameters and the financial costs in the objective function.
What we will do next can be divided into 3 parts. The first part is literature review. So we will research more project-related papers, such as microgrid optimization algorithm. During our research, we will also figure out what kind of problems have already been solved in this area, and our project will focus on the unsolved problems. The second part is about machine learning. We will merge and clean the consumption data, and also we will, based on our research, we will combine multiple models of the algorithms. We will also, the validation of the models will also be done. The third part is about economic feasibility of microgrid. We will utilize linear programming, and also based on the optimized microgrid model, we can do more research about the economic feasibility of the model. We will give advice about the economic cost and also the electricity consumption for practical application. Okay, so thank you for listening and thank you for our mentor for all the suggestions.